How to start affiliate marketing without a website. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with affiliate marketing without your own website. So let's get into it. Now, I have found that creating a website is more than just a waste of time for affiliate marketing because there are so many other great strategies that you could deploy to earn more money than you would on a website. And the first step to getting started with our affiliate marketing journey is to choose a affiliate product. So I have logged on over here to Digistore24, and it is a marketplace for different affiliate products. And you can go with any affiliate product that you have, any affiliate service or whatever kind of affiliate that you have. You can easily promote it with these strategies that I am going to show you. So to get started, let's say for example that I want to promote tube mystery and monetizations. So this is a YouTube course, and let's say I want to promote this. It has a 50% commission with high earnings and a relatively okay cancellation rate. So how can I promote this without a website? Well, there are several different methods, and the first method is on TikTok. So go on TikTok and start posting small clips of the course that you are promoting, and it is a very widely used platform. So you just have to spam content in a way, not exactly spam, but just post frequently, post like 2-3 posts every day promoting your affiliate with specific hashtags like affiliate, or you can add hashtags like YouTube, earning money, hustle, side hustle. Use these hashtags on TikTok and post on TikTok. And you might be wondering, how can I create those TikToks? Well, to create your TikTok, you can go onto a platform like Canva. And on Canva, what you're going to do is you're just going to create your account on Canva, click on custom size, add the width. So let's say I want this to be 10 by 12 inches. And I'm just going to open up an empty canvas. And what I'm going to do is that this is like a YouTube monetization course. So I'm just going to go into the element section, search for YouTube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of these like illustrations that have been provided by these different elements. So let's say I can add this to the background, and I'm just going to expand this video over here so I can just send it to back, and this would be played, and then I can add some more graphics like money. So I'm just going to search for money now, and I'm just going to add this graphic on top. And like this, you can create like a short little clip, and then in the description you can actually explain what the clip is about and promote your affiliate. So that is how simple and easy it's going to be to create like a simple TikTok. You don't have to show your face or do anything like that if you don't want to. You can just use Canva to create like a short video like this, and then use the description to further elaborate on your content. Now, the second way that you are going to promote your affiliate is on Facebook, and Facebook is still one of the most widely used platforms out there. And what you're going to do is on Facebook is that let's say this is the YouTube mystery and monetization. So you're going to search for YouTube over here on Facebook, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go on groups, and then you can say YouTube video promotion, YouTube learning and support for beginners. So you're going to go into groups like YouTube learning, YouTube support, groups like this, and then you're going to promote this affiliate because these people are already interested in learning about YouTube, how to get started with YouTube. These people are already the perfect people to promote your affiliate to because they already want to get in on the YouTube game. So a platform like YouTube video sharing, promote videos, sub for sub, channel gain, subscriber likes, YouTube sub for sub, YouTube and earning master support. So just join these groups and start talking about your affiliate product. Just talk about how you have used and gone through with this video course and how it has been greatly helpful to you, and how you made great progress on your YouTube channel with this kind of course. And after you took it, you had like a massive gain in your YouTube channel. Just talk about that, and you will easily get so many clicks from Facebook. And this is not the only method on Facebook. There is another way that you're going to promote on Facebook, and that is by creating a Facebook page. So you can just go on pages, and I have created some generic pages, but you can create a very custom page to each affiliate. So you can just create a YouTube monetization life hacks page, and then you can just promote your affiliate product over there as well. Now, the next method is Pinterest. So on Pinterest is pretty much the same as TikTok. You can just take the illustration that you created and download it as a PNG and then post it on Pinterest as well, and post the same kind of caption on Pinterest as well, and you will now promote on Pinterest. And with Pinterest, you're going to be getting a access to a very larger audience in comparison to Facebook, where when you promote in those specific groups, so if you're promoting in these groups, although you're getting a very good reach, so the reach that you're getting are people that are definitely going to be converting customers on Pinterest, you're going to be getting a wider reach because you're going to be promoting a very general sense. You're not going to be targeting a specific kind of audience, and this will get you the most amount of gains from both of the platforms. And you're going to follow suit with the same method on Reddit, and there are two more fantastic ways to promote your affiliate, and I have saved the best for last. And you probably might not have heard of this platform. It is called medium.com. So medium.com is a learning or writing platform where anyone can write articles, and what you're going to do is you're going to get started on Medium, and then you can just click on write over here, and then you can start writing articles for Medium just by signing into your account, and then you can just write articles nonstop on the affiliate product that you are looking to promote. It is really that simple. So Medium has articles regarding anything from lifestyle to politics to AI, tech, all of that good stuff. So it doesn't really matter what kind of affiliate you have chosen, you can easily promote it on Medium. And the best part is that Medium does not have any restrictions at all. You can write whatever you want whenever you want. It's a very simple and intuitive platform where they have a lot of liberty for the writer, and you just have to sign into your Google account to create your account. And just like that, you can start writing. So you can see I have already written a few articles, and you can just click on the left toolbar over here and then just add a title story. So let's say I want to add my YouTube success story, and then you can just make up a story about how you exploded your YouTube channel with views and likes via this course and how it really helped you, and then leave a link to the course in your article. So you can really do that, and this will really boost your sales on your affiliate product. And there is one last method and one last free resource place that I'm going to show you guys. So another great way is to take the same kind of TikTok videos and post them on YouTube as well. So you can go onto YouTube Studio and post those TikToks, but you might be wondering, hey, those are too short, I can't post them on YouTube. Well, what you can do is go onto Digistore24, take a look at the product that you're going to be promoting, so whatever it is, you can click on promote now. You have your link, you have your sales page. So go on the sales page, go on the affiliate support page, take all of the content you can find regarding this thing that you're promoting, take all of these videos and just make a compilation video. So you can rename this YouTube video into the best courses to start making money on YouTube, and then just make a compilation of the different affiliates that you are promoting. And you're going to be making so much money, not off only your affiliates but off of YouTube as well. And you can use free resources like vectz.com to get free stock videos. So you can convert this into stock, search for YouTube, and you can see you have so many different free stock videos available to you on Vectz that you can use for free, and you will be able to compile gorgeous looking videos only by using the content that Digistore24 is providing you, and then just compiling it into one long format video that's like 10 minutes, and you're going to be getting millions of views on videos like this because I have seen it myself. So if I go on to back onto YouTube and I search for best keto meal plans, so you can see there are so many different just compilation videos that have 2.6 million views. This video has 1.3 million views, and all of these videos are just using stock footage that they found off the internet or the actual footage of the product and items from their affiliates themselves. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to promote your affiliates on all of these platforms without having to create your own website and going through all of that hustle. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.